Hey guys, let's start with octal number system. So as the name suggests, octal means 8. So it has base or radix equal to 8 and it has limit of numbers from 0 to 7. If I say 9, 9 is not an octal number. Only a number in between 0 to 7 is known as octal numbers. And whenever we have to represent it, for example, I am having a number 140.210. Whenever we have to represent same in octal number system, we will do by 8 to power n. Here 8 is our base, 8 power n is the positions. For example, starting from the decimal number, here it is 0, 1, 2, so it will be 8 to power 0, 8 to power 1, 8 to power 2, and after decimal number system it will be 8 to power minus 1, 8 to power minus 2, 8 to power minus 3, and so on. And then whenever you will multiply these numbers, you will get in the decimal numbers that we will discuss in the next part of the lecture. But coming to the octal number system, why we require octal number system is because octal number system, it is easier to mention the numbers instead of binary number system, because in binary number system we are having limit of only two numbers, 0 or 1. But in case of octal number system, we are having a limit of 8 numbers, means 0 to 7, and 8 equal to 2 to power 3, so we can group the 3 bits as a single number. Now come to the most familiar number system, that is decimal number system. The number system that we use in the daily life, the real time examples, if you take, okay, I am purchasing a mobile phone with a worth of 10,000 rupees, it is a decimal number system. Okay, I want to purchase a grocery, if I purchase rice 20 kg with a rate of 50 rupees per kg, then it is again a decimal number system. So all the real time applications, examples, day to daily see is the example of decimal number systems. In decimal number system, as the name suggests, decimal, so it has base of 10. Base is also known as radix, and so the radix is 10 in decimal number system. And any number can be represented using 10 digits, 0 to 9. It has limit from 0 to 9. Just a recap: binary number system 0 or 1, octal number system 0 to 7, and decimal number system 0 to 9. Now what is the advantage of decimal number system? Decimal number systems, all the mathematical terminology and concepts are identical to the decimal number system. All the counting that we do, in whether we are counting, we are doing the counters to count the number of persons in a room, to count the money, to count the quantities, to count the grocery items, to count the baggages, anything. We in daily life we use decimal number system, so it is preferred. Here also the same fundamental will be processed over here. For example, the number is 140.210. Here it will be 10 to power n. If you remember, in binary number system we did the same thing, 2 to power n. In case of octal number system we did the same thing, 8 to power n. Now because it is a decimal number system, so it will be 10 to power n, where n is the position. And starting from the decimal, here it go with left to right this way, and this is the 0 number position, then first, then second, third, fourth, fifth, so on. Similarly, after decimal it will be -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on. This is the decimal number system. So let's proceed towards the hexadecimal number system. Now what is hexadecimal? As the name suggests, hexadecimal means 16. So it has base or radix equal to 16, and the values are starting from 0 to 15. And one thing to take care is, in digital electronics we are not taking 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We are taking 10 as A, 11 as B, 12 as C, 13 as D, 14 as E, and 15 as F. So we are having a range in between 0 to 9 and A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, and now again a question arises in our mind, that why we are using hexadecimal number system. So it is a commonly used number system by the programmers to describe the memory locations. Because understand this thing, because it has 16 bits. 16 means 2 to power 4. So we can collaborate, we can combine 4 bit as a single bit. So it will save our space also. Okay, so that's why it is preferred over octal number system also. So this is just a conclusion, just a summary of digital number system is. So number systems are binary, octal, decimal and hexadecimal. Binary base is 2, octal base is 8, decimal base is 10 and hexadecimal base is 16. So binary has the numbers 0, 1, octal has the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, decimal having values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and hexadecimal is having the range of 0 to 9, then A, B, C, D, E, F, where A stands for 10, B stands for 11, C stands for 12, D stands for 13, E stands for 14 and F stands for 15.